All right, welcome to the presentation. I just wanted to start with a quick view of the primary pages that will comprise the website. Additional pages can be added at any time. The blue lines that you see represent links from one page to another for demo purposes only. This prototype was created with Figma design software. The actual website would be developed using Microsoft Visual Studio Code. This is a mobile first development. So let's go up to the mobile view here. Mobile first developments give mobile displays priority. So we're going to show you what this design will look like on a mobile device first. Roughly 60% plus of all Google searches now occur on mobile, and Google also now does mobile first indexing of content. What you're looking at here is a mock up of the website, what the website would appear on, how it would appear rather, on an iPhone 16 Pro. All of the pages of the site will be search optimized, referred to as SEO, with relevant search terms featured, including the phrase Grateful Pie Company. Text colors will meet accessibility guidelines for contrast, and Google Analytics code for statistical tracking can be embedded into the source code on request. In the upper left here, you see the custom vector logo has been created for this project. If you look closely, you can see that the pie filling of the logo matches the filling of your actual pie, which also is used as a theme for the entire website. You can see it featured in the footer, which appears on every page. The logo also can be swapped out for the current company logo if you prefer. On the page, you'll see a brief summary of what Grateful does, along with the hours and address. The homepage also includes a WNDU News 16 video, which features Barbara on National Pie Day. Below that, in the footer, the copyright year will have JavaScript embedded, which will update the year automatically on January 1st each year. It's a nice feature we've added. Now we'll go ahead and click on the hamburger menu in the upper right, which appears on every page, to explore the site like a typical user. This is what the drop-down menu on every page will look like when the hamburger menu is clicked. As you can see, the site will be comprised of 7 pages total, including the home page. We're going to click on Gallery because our user wants to see some images of tasty food. Lots of nice images to get that appetite going. And as a user scrolls the page, they'll see there are 2 pages. All right. So they'll be able to either click for page 2 or click on any image in the gallery to expand it. The heart pie looks pretty good, so they decide to click on that. Nice. Looks delicious. Now they'll be able to either click forward or backwards to view other expanded images. They can see there are a total of 33 images in the gallery. For now, they'll click on the X to return to the main gallery page. And from the main gallery page, they can either scroll down and click on page 2 of the gallery, click the hamburger menu in the upper right, or click the logo to go back to the home page. And this user will click the logo to go home. That's a brief overview of mobile. Now let's take a look at the desktop view. Instead of the hamburger menu, we now have a navigation bar with all the same pages that the hamburger menu displayed and in the same order. Also, the page content is identical to mobile, just spread out to taking advantage of the wider desktop viewport. Our user wants to see the gallery, so she goes up to the navigation bar and clicks on the gallery page link, similar to what the user on the mobile version did. You can expect to see the same images in the same order as on mobile, but 5 across instead of the 3 from a mobile. This user wants to see the heart pie larger, so she clicks on that. Nice. It still looks delicious. Now she will be able to either click forward or backward to view other expanded images if she chooses. Again, she sees there are a total of 33 images in the gallery. For now, she will click on the X to return to the main gallery page, just like on the mobile view. And now from the main gallery page, she can either go to page 2 of the gallery, use the navigation menu on top to go to any other page, or click the logo to go back to the home page. This particular user is a 64-year-old woman in the financial services industry who's thinking about future retirement. She saw on the homepage that Grateful does catering, and she liked the food images she saw. So she wants to reach out for more information on catering her retirement party. She now goes to the navigation menu and clicks on Contact, which brings her to the Contact Us page. From here, she can either click on the email link address to open her default email program, or she can complete the form. The subject line field will have 2 options. The default will be general inquiry, but it will also have catering as a drop-down option. This user chooses catering and completes the form. All fields except company will be required to be completed before the message can be sent. The desktop version will have alternate color states for the send message and reset buttons. She then clicks on the send message button, and the message is sent to the Grateful Pie email address. You just got a catering lead. All right, now we're going to click on the logo in the upper left to go back to the home page. And that's it for this presentation. Thank you for watching.